One of my biggest frustrations when working on terminals is having a different terminal configuration on my personal laptop and a different terminal configuration on my office laptop. And I found a way to have just one configuration that I can use on my personal and office laptop. And that's with the combination of using a GitHub repository I have here, .files, where I can have my terminal configuration, and symlinks or symbolic links. Symbolic links is a special computer file that refers to another file or directory by storing a path to it. Here I have this repository here where I can have my different terminal configurations from ZSH to any aliases or whatever I want. Now this is in the GitHub repository, so I can create a symlink here by doing ln, which is like a link, a soft link, and then I can have the target and I can have the link. The target is what file should this particular link point to, and then the link is where the link should live. So if I check the directory of these .files, you can see it's in users, Dillion Megiddo, documents, github.files. For this particular file, which is the ZSHRC in .files, I'm going to create a link in users Dillion Megiddo .zshrc. Now this is the configuration file that ZSH would read from, but this will point to this repository here. So when I try to do that, well, that link currently exists. So the file currently exists, and this way I can have this repository on my personal laptop, have this repository on my office laptop, and any other laptop that I want to have consistent file configuration, I can have that. And that way in my ZSHRC here, I can create an alias like D for echo, then I make the change, I commit, and every laptop that pulls this repository can simply do a source to reload the configuration, and now I can do d hello, and this is going to be like echo hello.